Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, depending on where you are listening from. My name is Joseph. I am a Microsoft MVP and MCT. Because of how important it is to make your post on LinkedIn at that time where your audience is very active, I want to show you how to schedule a post just in case you may not have the time to make your post when you feel your audience will be active. So how you do that is you come to where you have your profile picture. Here you have photo, you have video, you have write article. So you can just click on here, and then down below here you see something like a clock, and that's where you see schedule for later. So if you click on it, it will give you a date from which you want to schedule it. So if you click on this, you have like the whole calendar for the month of February. That means you can maybe have a post that you want it to come out on the 28th. You can schedule it. If you want a post to be available tomorrow, or even today, right? You can leave it here and you say maybe you want that post to come out at 3:45. That is in 15 minutes. 3:30, 3:45, 4 o'clock, and so on. So you can actually like fix when you want your post to be available. Let's say I want to put a post at 3:30, and this time is 15:10. That is 3:10 right now. So in 20 minutes, I want a post to be scheduled. So I will do next. So the next thing is, if I have something that I want to write, of course I can write it here. But if I have something that I want to, if I maybe have a picture that I want to post as well, I can come here, go to maybe here and just pick up the image, and then it will come just the same way you would have made your post, right? So you can do next, and then maybe you want to have a write up there, you can just maybe put the write up in between, and then I'm just thinking if I have any write up here. So yeah, maybe something like this, then you can put it up here, then you can arrange it. So what's going to happen is this is not just going to post, right? So you can click on schedule. So that's what you're going to have there. So it's telling you up there when the post is going to be available. Now, how do you view your scheduled post? Let's say, for example, I have another post also that I'm posting, and I'm coming here and then I'm giving a schedule from here. Maybe at 4 o'clock, I also want another post to go out today, and that's a video, right? I can come to video, I can upload my video that I want to bring up. Then let's say I don't want to put a video, I want to put another picture, or maybe I just want to put a text, right? I can just do that. But let me just do another picture for example. I may just quickly do this, and then I don't even know what is there. Okay, so it's still the same loop, so I don't want that. I just want to pick another one. um just want to pick another one so that it can be like a different picture from what I had initially. Maybe this one is good, so I can do this. If I have write up, I can do, otherwise I can just do schedule. Now the point is, how do you view your scheduled post, right? So after doing your schedule, you can click on here, and then what you do next is to click on the same clock, and then you click on view scheduled post, and then you're going to have them here. So if you want to edit any one of them, you can decide to show more, and then you can decide to maybe you want to make changes to the post, you can still edit it while it is yet to go live, right? So that's possible. And then let's say, for example, you have the post scheduled, and you're no longer interested in making the post to go out at that expected time, so you can just come here and you click on delete post, and then that will just leave. Like, I don't want this my post to go out as at that time. So because it is very important that you take note of when your audience is available, so that you're not just shooting into the empty air, right? So thank you. I hope you are able to get something from what I've shown you, and if you do, please hit on like button below. And thank you very much for sticking through to this time. Have a good day. Cheers.